Hello again, dear students. Welcome back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. My name is Rodrigo Lasso Campo, your everyday English teacher from Easy Training. And this time I am presenting lesson 237, part 2 in Curso Básico Level 1. You know, the title of this lesson is Gaggle, Herd, and Murder. In this part of the lesson, you are going to be doing the activities. Maybe you remember that this lesson deals with different groups of animals, including two different groups of humans. There are three activities in this lesson. One is about groups of people. The second is about three different kinds of blends. And the last is about matching an animal to the group of animals it belongs to. Before you start the activities, I think it is a good idea that you check the first part of the lesson to refresh your memory and also to get better understanding of the different groups of animals and which animals belong in each. Well, are you ready to start? Let's go. As I said before, this activity is about groups of people. You will have some words naming groups of people and some definitions of those words, of those groups. For example, on this page we have three different words naming three different kinds of groups of people, followed by their definition. A circle is referred to a group of people who know one another or are related to one another. For instance, you can refer to a circle of journalists, the circle of painters, the circle of local businessmen, and so forth. A club is referred to the people who belong to a club. The word club can be followed by a verb in singular or in plural. A crowd is a large number of people in the same place or at an event. A crush is a crowd of people all extremely close together in an area that is too small for them. A diaspora is a large group of people who come from a particular place and are now living in many different parts of the world. This is a formal term. A galaxy is a large number of famous people. Galaxy is an informal term to refer to a group of people. A gathering is a group of people meeting together. For instance, you may have a family gathering to celebrate Mother's Day, Christmas, and so forth. A mob is a large crowd of people that is dangerous or difficult to control. The word mob can be followed by a verb either in singular or in plural. A pack is a gang of people. This word is used to show that you dislike the people in this group. You show disapproval when you use this word. A gang is a group of adolescents or a group of delinquents who band together. Or it can also be referred to a group of criminals who band together for mutual protection and profit. A press is a large number of people pushing in different directions. A rabble is a noise or violent crowd of people, or a group of people regarded with contempt. The silent majority is a large part of the population who either have no political opinions or who do not express their political opinions. A sphere is a certain group in society or the people that falls into a certain social level in the society. A swarm is a large number of people moving together as a group or in mass. And the last one, a troop. This word is humorous. A troop is a large group of people going somewhere. Well, this activity consists in writing and talking about which groups you or someone else are involved in, what people do in the groups, etc. Or you may also write or talk about which groups are in your community or in another community, in your country or wherever, what these groups are characterized by, etc. Or you can also talk about which groups you would like or wouldn't like to belong to and why. This is the second activity. It is about 3 different kinds of blends. L blend, R blend, and S blend. You see here at the top of the page are some words in a box. The activity consists in writing these words under the right heading, depending if the word has an L blend, an R blend, or an S blend. This is the third and last activity. In this activity we have some nouns, a list of nouns naming individual animals, and another list of nouns referring to or naming collective animals. The activity consists in matching each animal to the group it belongs to. Then you make a definition of each group. You can say, for example, a team is a group of bats. This is not true. It's just an example. Remember that you will eventually have to present your activities to your teachers. Then I suggest that you do those activities both in writing and talking. Well, dear students, I guess this lesson has come to an end. It was really nice talking to you again. I will be back with a new lesson soon. In the meantime, I hope you continue practicing English. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.